Friends, this is Bikram Prasad Baliawala in USA. In this video, I'm presenting what is the problem of homes and ADT. First, I want to say that in USA, many homes will have a home security system by one company or the other. In this system, the video of outside of the home or photos of the intruder outside the home or in the basement may be recorded. Also, the doors or windows, if they are broken, then the alarm will go on and alert the ADT office. The third one is the sump pump are also connected with the ADT wire with a sensor, and if sump pump is not working and water starts accumulating too much, the sensor will indicate alarm and the homeowner will know. So in this video, I'm trying to say that our system did not work, so we had to call the ADT and find out why the sensor did not work. You'll be seeing finally a technician came and found out what was the problem, which is shown in this video, which is worth watching. जो मेरे हिंदी स्पीकिंग भाई हैं, मैं और मेरे यूट्यूबर फॉलोअर हैं, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि देखिए, अमेरिका में बहुत से जो होम्स हैं सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम लगवाए हुए हैं जो कि घर के बाहर मॉनिटर करते हैं या कर सकते हैं, घर के भीतर मॉनिटर करते हैं. अगर कोई विंडो ब्रेक इन हुआ, डोर ब्रेक इन हुआ, तो उसमें वीडियो लेते हैं, फ़ोटो लेते हैं और जो है एडीटी या पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट को इन्फॉर्म करते हैं. और तीसरा है कि उसमें एक सम्प पंप होता है घरों में, उसमें कभी कभी फ्लडिंग न हो तो वो सिस्टम ख़राब हो जाता है, तो उसके लिए भी ये सिस्टम जो है इन्फॉर्म करता है. तो हम लोग जो है 22 सालों से एडीटी सिस्टम रखे हुए हैं और उसमें हमारे यहाँ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, जिसको कि हम इसमें दिखाए हैं. टेक्नीशियन आए और वो नया सेंसर सिस्टम इंस्टॉल किए. तो आप सारा वीडियो देखिए और समझिए कि इस तरह का प्रॉब्लम जो है होम ओनर्स को अमेरिका में बहुत ही केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है. तो मैं यहीं रोकूंगा और आप देखिए और इन्जॉय कीजिए. बट प्लीज़ जो है मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और बेल को दबाएं ताकि हम समझें कि आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा या नहीं. सो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग माय वीडियो. बाय बाय.
Yeah, so this is the wire. So it was cut, so I just stripped the ends off and like I knew it was wired as normally open.
So will it be open with a wire to sense, or
yeah, because you can wire it up two different ways, either normally closed or normally open.
I see.
And so when I saw the resistor in the panel, it was wired for normally open, so that's why I knew if I touched the wires together, the alarm would go off if this was the wire.
And I saw you checking,
yeah,
upstairs that alarm was working. How did you through your program?
And I knew what color the wire was, so that's why I followed that wire here, and I see it was coming down the wall.
So was it submerged in the water?
Yeah.
I see.
So the other device will go further down, and
Okay, so ADT technician is installing a new part.
yeah.
Now he's connecting wire to wire. So you're clamping it so it won't come out. I see.
And then I'm just going to clamp the rest of the wires all the way up.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Let's see. Okay, it's not going to work.
Just a minute. Okay, go ahead, say that again.
Yep. So now we're going to test it. When I lift the float there, the alarm should go off.
Hey, my friends, viewers of my videos on YouTube, he has installed that blue part as you see, and when water comes near that part, it will kick and then alarm will go on. So he's checking this and he's telling me to go upstairs and listen the sound of the alarm. So I'm going upstairs. So you can hear alarm is on, is giving the alarm that is testing in the basement sump pump. Great, thank you. All right, so I just press to turn off the alarm. They have a good employee, experienced one. So thanks to this talented technician, that my problem of the sump pump is taken care. Hey friends, viewers of my video, the charge for that coming and the part is $106, did you say?
Oh, yes.
Including the tax. So the charge is because he says we do not have
A
maintenance service plan. And remember, I had told you we have ADT for 22 years. And again, we have no control over it. So first of all, regardless of the charge, I appreciate this technician very much. So thank you so much. Hey friends, we have been with ADT for 22 years almost. And I'm told that the charge was very reasonable and we have no dispute about it. And I was complaining to him that I had called ADT before. We have a very old system And whenever the sales agent came, they were saying anywhere from $2,200 to $2,500 for the new system. And when we have this old system, to me it didn't make any sense. I have been, me and my wife have been very angry with ADT in this respect. Also, we started with $15 a month, which is in 20 years approximately. It has become almost $70, $80 per month. So where that increase and why this increase is going on so much? Because we, as retired people in our 80s, do not get that much increase. So we have been frustrated, and we have been, I have been thinking to change the company, but this good technician told me that I should call
The loyalty department.
a loyalty department. So I will call the loyalty department, go from there, because I always feel that this company, when it was small, belonged to another company. The service was very good, and this company has grown. And I thought this company headquarters is in Netherlands. Is that in Netherlands headquarters?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think it is in another country, but it's a big company, worldwide company, but doesn't matter to us, because increasing cost, sooner or later, customer will look at another company. So he suggested, no, don't do that at this time. Call the customer loyalty department, which I will. So thanks to him, that I'm glad ADT has a nice worker like him. Rather than losing the customer, he is referring me to see what the loyalty department can do. Thanks. Bye-bye.